liked school.
It sure seems so. He insisted that he'd get into third-year classes, but right now, he told his teacher that he'd finish school so fast and open a restaurant in outer space. Huh. Ha! Speak of the devil.
What's that in your hand, Mutlu?
I think that is a turtle.
We're gonna spend a couple of days together, little turtle. I'll tell you some stories, and we'll play some games, and we can even dance if you would like. I want to introduce you to some people. They always get home from school before I do. Where are they?
What did Mutlu discover? A little turtle.
Come on, let's go take a look.
We'll have so much fun, so much!
Welcome home, you guys. Who is Mutlu talking to?
With his brand new turtle friend.
A brand new turtle friend. That's a sight to see.
Who'd I hear has a new friend?
Mutlu. I think it would be nice if we welcome our new guest.
Of course, of course.
Now you stay here, little turtle. I'll find a safe place for you to stay. And then I'll introduce you to people from all over. Do you see this, little turtle? Everyone is here.
Welcome our little turtle guest.
Where did you find this little friend, Mutlu?
This little turtle is under my supervision for the weekend. Our teacher wanted me to take care of him, feed him, and protect him like a hero. I'll take him back to school on Monday, and I get to tell my class all the adventures we've had.
Super Mutlu is on the case.
I'm sure that you'll take good care of your friend. We need to make our guest more comfortable, right?
He is so cute. Don't bother if you're looking for a place for him, Mutlu, because his house is already on his back.
So he gets to wander around with his house?
Oh, what do turtles eat on their planet?
Wait! I know this. They eat green stuff. I need to find a tasty green leaf for him right away.
It looks like another adventurous weekend for you.
I think so too. Come on, let's cook dinner.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy